Hello, my name is Dylan Lerma, and this is for my intro to special populations class. It's video lesson 2. I'm going to be doing a 5th grade English lesson on roots, prefixes, and suffixes. And as you can see, I don't have a whiteboard, so I'm trying my best. First, we're going to be looking at the word reheated. And I have my notes right here. If you look at this word, you'll see that it's broken down into 3 parts. You have your root word, which is heated, and you have, this is a suffix, right? You have re, and then you have, sorry, you have your prefix, and you have your suffix. Sorry, that's my computer. A root word is the simplest word. It gains multiple meanings when you add a suffix or when you add a prefix to it. As you know, it can have beginnings added, endings added, which is what I just stated, by using prefixes and suffixes. You can create new words out of it. For example, let's say heated. That would be a past tense version of heat, which means that you have heated something, let's say like in the microwave or something. So it's not a present use of the word. Re is a present. It's in the beginning, which is a prefix, and it's attached to the root word to give it more meaning. And for reheat, and you take out the ed. This just means to heat again. And for ed, heated, it's, let's see, and it just means heated again in the past. Okay. So each of these little sections of the word contribute to making the word a whole, to make it mean what it means now. We're gonna dissect other words to find their original meaning. We're gonna look at dissect. And the first part of dissect is di, so die, and that means two or double. And the second part of that word is sect, and that means to cut. Sorry, I had to look at my thing. I don't have a classroom, so I can't do this next step. The next word we're gonna look at is submarine. Sub means under, and marine means sea, or water. So under the sea, which is what a submarine does, it goes under the water. Next one is biology. And bio means life, and ology means the study of, so it's the study of life. And as you can see, those words are broken into 2. You can't add a suffix to biology or to dissect because they already have their prefixes, and a suffix doesn't really work with them. You can't add ed to biology because it'd be biologied, and that makes no sense. So, what else? A couple more examples that I can get into is centipede. As you know, centi means 100. And pede is foot or feet. Now, does the class know any other words with the prefix of pede?
Pedestrian, pedestal,
Pedicure. Pedicure meaning pedi is feet, and I guess you get your feet cleaned. Pedestrian is often used as foot traffic, describing humans walking, with their feet. So that's where that word comes from. Now, in closing, we've gone over prefixes, roots, and suffixes, and how you can combine them to make different words meaning different things. As the example I used for heat, we can add re, which is a prefix to make it reheat, which is heat again. Or you can add ed after heat, which is heated, a past tense, so you already heated it. And in closing, now you guys know about prefixes, roots, and suffixes. And yet again, my name is Don Lerma, and that is the end of my lesson 2 and the video presentation.